What's up everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial on how to mirror or control your Android devices on your PC. So without further ado, let's go dive right into it. Connect your phone to your PC via USB. You will be prompted and asked to choose an option. In my case, I'll select no data transfer, or in some other devices, you may select charge only. Now, we need to enable USB debugging mode. To do that, go to Settings, About Phone, then tap on your build number several times. I already did this, that's why it says I am already a developer. But for the first time, it will say, now you are a developer. Go back to Settings menu and find Developer Options. Mine is in additional settings, but by default you can easily find it just under your About Phone. So just scroll down to the button. Under Developer Options, find USB debugging, then enable it. If you want to control your phone via PC, you should enable this: USB debugging, security settings. Now that your phone is ready, let's transfer to our PC. So just go to your web browser and type scrcpy, and then click this link. Scroll down till you see these options. So we are going to select Windows. It is available in Linux and Mac as well. Once it's done, just click this and extract the files. Take note of the destination path, but by default, it will just go into your downloads. And here it is. So open it, double click, and select scrcpy application. And there you have it. Now you got your phone mirrored on your PC. You can also control your phone from your computer. As you can see, I am playing a games using keyboard and mouse just to show that it is working. If you want to record or live stream your game on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, or any other platform, just download OBS Studio. If you haven't, go to this link. Now, open your OBS Studio and click the plus sign under Sources window and select Game Capture. Click OK, drop down and specific window, and then select your phone. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any trouble doing this, just let me know so I can help you. If this video has helped you, please like and share this, especially to those who might need this. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one to watch my new uploads.